I'm going to show you how to make koozies using DTF prints, and I'm going to show you the method that we use in order to avoid that squishing that you see on that top koozie there. We don't want that squishing because that's not good quality for our customers, so I'm going to show you exactly how we make these. So if you don't know what DTF is, it stands for direct to film, and it is when the image is printed directly to the film and that film gets pressed onto the blank that you're using. In today's case, we're doing a koozie. That can allow you to print on any material, any color. So when I was coming from the sublimation world, I was very limited on the things that I could print on because it had to be white or light gray, had to be 100% polyester. So when DTF came out, I was like, hell yeah, this is freaking awesome. So let me show you exactly how we make our koozies again to avoid that squishing. Now, when I put my koozie down onto my plate, I'm going to let it hang off just a little bit off the edge there. And that is what's going to help you avoid the squishing that we have, as you saw, just like this. It's going to help you avoid that scorching and that squishing. So just make sure it's hanging off the edge, maybe about a 1/4 inch. The first thing that you always have to do when you're pressing DTFs, you're going to pre-press it for 5 seconds at 320 degrees. Now that it's pre-pressed, make sure you take your DTF and you trim off any excess film that's around your design. This is super important because this is going to help you align it so that it's nice and centered. Once you have your DTF all trimmed, you are going to put it on the koozie and align it so that it's centered. And you're just going to take a little piece of heat tape and you're going to tape it right at the bottom there. That's the easiest place to tape it because there's all this extra room here. So now that it's on there, you're going to press it. Make sure you check with your DTF vendor, which I will link my favorite DTF vendors down below. But make sure you check with your DTF vendor on the right settings and temperature and all that fun stuff. But we are going to press this one particularly at 320 degrees for 10 seconds. Okay, now that it's been pressed, I'm going to I like to just give it a little rub so that it's down there nice and good. And it's just a little extra. You don't have to do that, but I do that because it adheres the best way that way. Now that it's all done, we just have to peel off the film. And it is absolutely perfect. I love printing DTFs onto koozies. I just think they're so awesome, and they do so well for wholesale customers because they sell very well in things like boutiques and liquor stores and things like that. So let's do a quick little recap. Today we made our koozies using DTF prints, which are direct to film prints, which allows you to print on any material and any color. If you like quick, short, to the point tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button because that's how I do all my tutorials. And if there's something else that you want to learn how to make or you need some tips and tricks on, make sure you drop it in the comments below and I'll be sure to help you out. Other than that, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.